So, what are synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. So, the synonym of happy can be ecstatic, delighted, glad, or thrilled. Let's look at a sentence. I was happy to see her, or you can say, I was thrilled to see her. Another word, brave. A brave person is also a very audacious person. They are valiant, they are courageous. So, all those are synonyms of brave that you can use in your vocabulary. The brave fireman saved lives from the burning building, or you can say the valiant fireman saved lives from the burning building. All means brave, to be courageous, to be brave. Another word, big. Synonyms of big include huge, large, and very big is gigantic, enormous, humongous, massive. So it depends on how you want your message to come across. Then you choose which word you want to use. Gigantic bear to describe this huge bear, this very huge bear, enormous elephant. She lives in a big house or she lives in a massive house. This looks like a massive house. So choose the words that will best fit the message you're trying to relay. Another word, smart. Synonyms for smart include bright, clever, astute. Let's look at the sentence. The astute student corrected the teacher's mistake, or the smart student corrected the teacher's mistake. The clever student corrected the teacher's mistake. So all these words mean smart. Plethora means plenty. Plethora. The fruit shop has a plethora of unique fruits, or you can say the fruit shop has plenty of unique fruits. Choose your words and select the one that best relays your message. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and come back for more lessons.